question, what it says that, so you have to select the statement, okay, statement you have to select, and there should be a logical equivalent, okay, and you look at the statement, it's not true, okay, that means what they are saying that confirm not true. Some dogs bark, because always if you take a dog or you take number of dogs means definitely all will bark. Maybe some aged dog, okay, some aged dog, or maybe or some paralyzed, okay, paralyzed means some problem in the paralyzed some dog, and maybe may not, okay, may not bark, may not bark, or sometimes yeah, some of the deceased bark, maybe it's not possible for barking, but what they say is, or some birds do not have feathers. That is completely not possible, okay, because if they are having a bird means, what's the meaning of bird? Okay, bird means what? The hands, okay, will be in the form of a feather, okay, with the help of feather only it is flying because bird is mainly for flying, that flying with the mainly with respect to feather, but dogs will not fly because dog can walk, okay, because that is definitely because dog walk, but barking is not a criteria, not a mandatory, but the bird means confirm it should fly. Maybe if you take a hen also it may fly up to some extent, but definitely will be having some feather, okay. So what it says means, look at the first option, some dogs do not bark and some birds have feathers, not possible because some here not possible because all the birds have feathers, okay. And no dogs bark, they are also not possible because dogs always bark and all birds have, this is right. And some dogs do not bark and some birds have feathers, and that also is different, okay, and no dogs bark and some birds have feathers, okay. So if you take these things means these two will not be a right, and definitely this also will not be right, but no dogs bark may be possible because why I want to tell you means one of the times, because some of the times maybe if you take a very deep dark, okay, if there comes a very deep dark, or it may be in some time of early morning, because some of the time maybe if you take a 5 minutes or if you take some of the minutes, some of the times the dogs may not bark, and automatically all birds will have feathers because when you take all these options, because they say some birds have feathers confirm not, and some birds have feathers confirm not, and some birds, when you compare all this, because I say all the four options are wrong, but when you compare all the four options, you take the second option means second option will be the right, okay, because second option there will be a clear mean that all birds have feathers, so you have to take the second option, that is the right. So answer is B, okay. Thank you very much. If you have any doubts, come in the comment box.